Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bread knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best bread knife. Slicing bread with an ordinary knife is annoying, time-consuming, and most of the time you don't get that perfect cut. A bread knife will solve all these problems. A bread knife is a select type of kitchen knife that is used for cutting bread only. It is entirely different than other knives, and it is mandatory if you want to complete a set. There are several main differences between. Number 5. Victorinox bread knife stainless steel. Designed for long-term durability, made from stainless steel. These blades enable the knives to make precise cuts that minimize food waste and maximize meal size. Our knives are extremely. Main features: stainless steel blade, comfortable grip, dishwasher safe. Number 4. Home Center Magnus stainless steel bread knife. Knives are crafted for precision and is perfect for cutting and chopping. This knife is made with stainless steel and features a heavy grasp which is durable and reliable. Main features: bread knife 31.5 centimeters. Dishwasher safe. Red color. Number 3. 2Q2Q 12-inch bread knife wide teeth. It is one of the great product for slicing bread, toast, loaf, sandwich, mold, etc. You can even use to cut ham, cheese and vegetable. As it is foldable and needs less space. Main features: flexible stainless steel blade. More durable to use. Wooden handle. Number 2. Crystal 11-inch bread knife CL217. Premium stainless steel knife from Crystal. Perfect for your everyday use. Looks great and perfect for your modern kitchen. All these are manufactured using high-grade raw material. Main features: black plastic handle knife. Comfortable shape. Silver color. Number 1. Grizzly 1PC 14-inch stainless steel bread knife. This multi-purpose knife is adept at effortlessly slicing everything from oversized crusty loaves, cakes, brownies. If your family/friend is a culinary enthusiast. Main features: ultra-sharp steel blade. Wooden handle. Multi-purpose use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.